Hi, everybody. Scott Christensen. I'm our OT Cybersecurity Practice Director. What I love about my job is I'm a cybersecurity nut. I love talking to our customers, solving kind of their cybersecurity problems. And in fact, part of my favorite story is a customer who had been impacted by a cyber event, calling me up on a Friday night and just hair pulled out, worried, calling us up to solve a problem and kind of rescue them. And really makes you feel really good when you jump in, help them keep operations going, and they really start relying on you and trust your opinion. And it's probably easily the favorite part of my job is really interacting with customers and helping them kind of solve that cyber journey. This was a building manufacturer. They've got about 14 or 15 sites. They basically make cement, and their corporate entity had been attacked to the point where they were shutting down and everything had gone to kind of paper exercise. But because of the controls we had put into place, they had not lost OT, but they had called us out of an abundance of caution to help out. And eventually we jumped in to help them with remediation too. So we kind of came to the rescue, which was a fun part of it, to really feel like we were solving a problem for a customer.